The purpose of the DECR's Environmental Club is to bring together people who are interested in the environment, both the marine and the terrestrial environment, to volunteer, work together, do different things, activities that will enhance the environment, including community cleanups, eradication of invasive species, native plant rescue and gardening, and other activities that will help us sustain the environment with a more community-based activities.
Okay. According to Ryan Manco, who is helping to run the club, there are a number of environmental issues that the club will be focusing on to begin with.
The lionfish eradication project will be part of the DECR's larger lionfish project, and that will be recruiting volunteers to actually go out on dives that will hopefully be sponsored by some of the dive operators here in order to more widely cover the Turks and Caicos Islands waters for lionfish hunting. The mangrove planting is an activity that we normally do with volunteers that we get from different groups. Sometimes corporate retreats or weddings will do mangrove plantings, sometimes school groups, and we'd like to get the community at large involved in that as well. And that's for climate mitigation and carbon sequestration, things like that, that will help us in the time of climate change. And also we have a project that will be rescuing native plants from areas that are going to be developed.
The club so far has gotten attention from the public with more and more support from the community. Manco is expecting the new club to be very successful thanks to this support.
We have had 2 meetings. We started the first meeting in July and the second in August, and the second meeting had about double the participation of the first, which was great, and the word has definitely been spreading. We are currently meeting on the first Thursday of each month at 6:30 p.m. right here at the National Environmental Center in the upstairs conference room. So at the moment it's free to anyone to join. We hope that the community at large will get involved, that we'll be able to go all across the different communities in Provo and the different islands as well.
Okay. Not only this, but the support from the public has been so strong that the DECR is gearing up to begin another environmental club specifically for youth.
At the moment, the focus is sort of working adults or professionals that have skills to share, as well as people who are interested in learning. We do have some interest from high school students as well, which would be welcomed. But on top of that, we will also be starting a junior environmental club as well that will be focused more on teenagers and children. And that we will spin off this one, and it will be part of the larger education program for DECR.